To live, each living being breathes in air. Life on this planet has been possible due to the presence of oxygen in air and water on Earth. To keep going, we need energy, which is supplied to our body by the food we eat. To live constantly, we are using substances in different physical states around us. Can we give them a name collectively? You may be surprised, but the answer is yes. They are all different forms of matter. What is matter? Matter is defined as anything that has mass and occupies space. Everything around us is made up of matter. It is made up of atoms. Classification of matter. In nature, matter exists in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. All three forms of matter is made up of very small particles which exist independently. These particles are called molecules.
The arrangement of molecules provides shape and volume to any matter.
Intermolecular force and intermolecular space. As a child, you must have played with building blocks and made different shapes by changing their arrangement. In a similar manner, molecules are the building blocks of matter, and different states of matter are due to difference in arrangement of molecules. Molecules attract each other. The force of attraction between molecules is called intermolecular force of attraction. In a similar manner, the space between any two molecules is called intermolecular space. Solids. Molecules are closely packed in a solid with little or no intermolecular space but very high intermolecular force of attraction. The molecules cannot move but vibrate at their places. Molecules possess less energy in a solid. Properties and reasons for exhibiting the properties. 1. Solids have a definite shape and occupy a definite space. That is, solids have a fixed volume. Reason: since molecules are closely packed in a solid, they have least intermolecular space and strong intermolecular force of attraction. They cannot move from their place, giving solids a definite shape and volume. 2. Solids cannot flow. Reason: due to the strong intermolecular forces, they cannot flow. 3. Solids are incompressible. Reason: as there is no place left in between the molecules, therefore, molecules cannot move closer to each other. As a result, solids are incompressible. 4. Solids have any number of free surfaces depending on their shape. Reason: solids are those substances which have a definite shape and volume. They are non-compressible, cannot flow, and therefore have any number of free surfaces. Liquids. In case of liquids, the molecules are not tightly packed and their position is not fixed. As compared to molecules in solid state, these molecules possess more energy. In comparison to solids, there is greater intermolecular space and lesser intermolecular force of attraction. The attraction between molecules is less, but still not so less that they may move in any direction. They can easily slide over each other and exchange or even change their places. Properties and reasons for exhibiting the properties. 1. Liquids don't have a definite shape but take the shape of container in which they are kept. Reason: as molecules of liquids are not tightly packed, they can easily shift and adjust by taking the shape of container in which they are kept. Not being compact, liquids don't have a fixed shape. 2. Liquids
States of matter.
To live, each living being have a property to fill the entire space available to them. 4. Gases are highly compressible. Reason: owing to large intermolecular spaces between them, gases can easily be compressed. What does a mechanic do when he fills air in your cycle tube? He allows compressed air to enter the cycle tube and fill it. 5. Gases have no free surface. Reason: if you keep gas in a container, then to avoid escaping of gas, you must seal the container. Example: LPG cylinder at home is sealed as it contains cooking gas. Hence, gases have no free surface. Comparative study of the properties of solids, liquids and gases. Property: solid, liquid, gas. 1. Shape: fixed, no fixed shape, no fixed shape. 2. Arrangement: packed, very tightly packed, loosely packed, very loosely. 3. Force of attraction: very strong, strong, negligible. 4. Intermolecular space: negligible, medium, maximum. 5. Volume: definite, definite, not definite. 6. Compressibility: non-compressible, can be compressed slightly, can be compressed easily. Change of states: matter can be changed from one state to another. A substance can exist in any of the physical states. We can change the physical state by changing the temperature or pressure. For example, water can be changed from liquid to solid ice at 0 degrees Celsius and from liquid to gaseous state at 100 degrees Celsius. The process can also be reversed. If we cool steam, we get water which on further cooling changes to ice. Based on above observations, we can conclude that water can exist in all the three states and a change in state can be brought about by changing the temperature or pressure. Other substances also behave similarly at different temperatures and pressures. Even gold, silver, iron, and copper can occur in all three states but not under normal conditions. Melting: conversion of solid into liquid on heating is called melting. Example: conversion of ice, solid, to water, liquid, on heating. Vaporization: conversion of liquid to vapor is called vaporization. It occurs at all temperatures. Example: conversion of water, liquid, into water vapor. Condensation: conversion of vapor into liquid on cooling is called condensation. Example: conversion of water vapor to liquid water on cooling. Freezing: conversion of liquid into solid on cooling is called freezing. Example: formation of ice, solid, on cooling water, liquid. Sublimation: some substances change directly from solid to gas on heating. Such a conversion is called sublimation. When cooled, the vapors of such substances directly solidify. The solid thus obtained is called a sublimate. Iodine, ammonium chloride, and naphthalene are common substances that sublime. A direct change of state from a gas to a solid is called deposition. Heating a solid to change directly to gaseous state without the intermediate liquid state. Example: heating of ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride, solid. Cooling, ammonium chloride, vapor. Do you know substance like iodine, ammonium chloride, and naphthalene are common sublime substances. They change directly from solid to gas